The long giraffe. Most people know what a giraffe looks like. They're tall, spotted animals from the African savanna. They're famous for their long necks that allow them to munch on treetop leaves that other animals cannot reach. With its 6-foot long legs and 6-foot long neck, a male giraffe can grow over 18 feet in height. That's almost as tall as a 2-story building. Even a baby giraffe has a long neck and legs. In fact, a calf is 6 feet tall at birth and can stand within an hour. We humans have 7 bones or vertebrae in our short little necks. So how many vertebrae do you think a giraffe has in its neck? Maybe 20 or 50 or 100? In fact, a giraffe's neck has exactly the same number of bones in its neck as a human. However, a giraffe's vertebrae are larger and much longer. A giraffe's heart is also long, with a male's heart being up to 2 feet. It takes powerful heart to move blood up the long neck into the brain. The giraffe has special valves in their arteries. These valves prevent blood from rushing to the head when the giraffe bends low to drink. And when it drinks, it takes a long drink, swallowing up to 10 gallons of water. The giraffe must spread its long legs apart so its long neck can reach the water. Since it can't protect itself when in this position, it doesn't drink very often. Instead, it gets a lot of moisture from the plants it eats. And speaking of plants, a giraffe's favorite food is the leaves of the thorny acacia tree. The giraffe wraps its long 18-inch tongue around the tree's branches and strips off the leaves. The long tongue's roughness helps protect it from the thorns. A giraffe is a ruminant, which means it has 4-chambered stomach like a cow. After they swallow leaves the first time, the giraffe will bring the leaves back up their throat and chew again for long periods. A healthy adult giraffe does not have many natural predators. Its hooves are as long and wide as a dinner plate, and it can kick its long legs any direction. The kick is so strong it can kill a lion. With its long neck, long heart, long tongue, long legs, and long hooves, the giraffe is surely one of the most beautiful animals in the African savanna. More fascinating giraffe facts. The giraffe has the shortest sleep requirements of any mammal. A giraffe sleeps less than 2 hours per day. Although they're usually quiet, giraffes can make sounds. Male giraffes can make loud coughs. Females can whistle to call their young. Giraffes can also grunt, snort, and hiss. A male giraffe is called a bull, a female is a cow, and a young giraffe is a calf. A group of giraffes is a herd. Okay, now here's the questions. Number 1. How many bones are in a giraffe's neck? 7, 20, 50, or 100? Remember, it's saying that specifically in the passage, so go back and look for it and underline the number that you find. Number 2. Why does a giraffe need a large, powerful heart? So it can pump blood down into its legs, so it can pump blood up to the brain, to help the giraffe drink water more easily, or to help the giraffe digest plants and leaves. Again, it says that in the passage as well, so you should go back and find it. The second page of the article contains many facts, but there is one sentence that is an opinion. Copy the opinion sentence onto the lines below. So you're going to go back and look at what was said on the second page and pick out the one thing that is not a fact. And then you'll put the opinion right here. Number 4. Complete each sentence by writing a word or number on the line. A giraffe's tongue is about blank inches long. A blank giraffe is called a cow. A baby giraffe is about blank feet tall when it stands up. And a giraffe's favorite food is leaves from a blank tree. Then the last thing on this page says Artist Challenge, and you don't have to do this, but it might be a fun activity to do if you want. It says, on a separate sheet of paper, draw a picture of a giraffe. Include as many details as possible. Below your picture, neatly write the 3 most interesting facts you learned about from this article.